scoring chance in the dying seconds. Holtby with the save.
Oh boy, what a save by Holtby. That might be a series saver there.
Out of the corner. Bucker cut it off. Out in front, patted down by Fleury. Another chance. What a save! Fleury! Unbelievable stop on Tomas Hertl.
Fleury thinks he's going one way. Fleury stays there and throws out the right leg and makes that gorgeous save.
Drops it off for Tierney. Tierney back to Pay. Stopped by Fleury.
What a terrific save on Evander Kane. This is a power move. Looked like he's wrapped all the way around him. And the full extension there on the left pad of Marc-Andre Fleury.
Hands it on over to Simone. Led it to Malkin. Jam one in front. Oh, the combination foiled by Holtby.
Great save by Holtby to keep him off the board. Morrissey's back at the blue line. Now he cycles in from the defense. Centering pass. Little stop. Rebound. That stop too. Morrissey should have had one there, he thought, as he looked skyward.
Watch the knob of his stick.
Wow.
I mean, the stick falls out of his hands and hits the knob. I mean, you talk about catching a break early on. That is something. I don't think I've ever seen a save like that before. Fleury from the trapezoid. Cut off by Couture in front. Bullet and covers. What a marvelous save on Mikhail Bucker.
Wow, what a fantastic save. So the giveaway by Fleury and then the takeaway by Fleury. Great stuff.
Play it back to the line. Long shot by Schultz. Deflected stop by Holtby. Crosby on the rebound. Holtby able to get a piece of that one and keep it out.
That's not the only in-tight chance for the Penguins. Kessel back to Schultz, and look at this. One for Hornquist and one for Crosby. Braden Holtby coming up large with the trapper.
Second power play of this period for San Jose. Wrist shot and it's batted out of the air. Loose. Fleury reaches back and keeps that out.
And watch Marc-Andre Fleury. Oh, it's not there, and he lunges back across and gets the glove down to make the save.
The Sharks look skyward, and when you're hot, you're hot.
Back the other way, Kyle Connor in front. Wheeler down is Rinne. Oh, it stayed out. I believe the stick of Weber kept that out.
I mean, you talk about getting contributions from everybody. Yannick Weber in his second playoff game is able to lay out and in desperation keep that puck from going in the net. What a play by Weber.
Here's Russ into the play out front. Crosby stopped by Holtby. What a save by Holtby on the redirection by Crosby.
Crosby just gets left wide open in front.
The redirection by Crosby and the near miss by Hornquist. Holtby, he denies them.
What a chance for Crosby to put the Penguins on top late in the third.